Hey, this is Catherine from Cat's Green Kitchen. Thanks for joining me today. I'm really excited about today's recipe. It is a Teriyaki Seitan Bowl with some broccoli. I make 10 servings, so it's for my husband and I for meal prep throughout the week. It is 271 calories and it tastes absolutely amazing. I hope you really enjoy it. We are going to start with the Instapot, and if you've watched a couple of my videos, you probably already know that I like my gadgets. I really enjoy having these different appliances to help me along my cooking journey. So I will reference those. The 3 appliances we'll use today is an Instapot. If you don't have an Instapot, you can cook it on the stove. We will be cooking the seitan in the air fryer. If not, you can bake it in the oven. I do recommend that you have a blender to use for the seitan. We are going to start with our rice quinoa mix. I've already rinsed my rice and my quinoa. So I'm going to put in 2 cups of rice, 1 cup of organic quinoa, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 cups of water. Mix and set it to the rice setting and press start. We are going to move on to the seitan, and seitan is made from vital wheat gluten, which I don't have the bag, but I actually purchased it from Anthony's Goods, and you can see it here. Start with 2 cups of vital wheat gluten. Add 1 cup of nutritional yeast. Then I have a couple of seasonings. The one thing about seitan is it takes on the flavor of anything that you add to it. We're going to start out with this Kinders seasoning. It's wood-fired garlic. Add 1 tablespoon. You add that to the bowl. Next, we are going to add the soy teriyaki sauce, and we will add 1 tablespoon to the mixture. Mix it up. And now you need your blender. You need 2 cans of Great Northwestern beans. I've already rinsed these, so we're going to add them to the blender. Then you need 12 ounces of water. Blend well. We are going to pour the bean mixture into the flour that we mixed all together. Mix well. It should now look like a ball of dough. Create small balls and put them into your air fryer. Pre-spray the air fryer to make sure that these do not stick. 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Press play. For the broccoli mixture, we have already greased a little bit of oil on the pan just for non-sticking. I am going to add 2 cups of water, 2 32-ounce bags of frozen broccoli, medium high, and let that steam. Check it periodically and mix it. The broccoli is done. And our seitan is complete as well. We have our quinoa rice here, super hot, right out of the Instapot. We have our broccoli and our seitan. We are going to assemble. Start with the rice. Add half a cup of rice, 3/4 to 1 cup of broccoli, and add 3 of the seitan balls. Drizzle with teriyaki sauce. Here's your finished product. I hope you enjoy. One thing I would love to hear some feedback from you all is what kind of pans do you use? I love non-stick. It is easy to cook with. I've been doing some research on the Hexclad brand, and there's just so many options out there. I'd love to hear your feedback, and please leave them in the comments below. I am looking for a new set and would love to hear your input.